Hey, what's up guys? It's your Von 7 Anime Freak. For today's challenge, Nader, aka my boyfriend, aka Freakeating, has done this really weird collaboration announcement where you have to eat 10 tacos. Doesn't really matter where. And I got the 3 for $1 Taco Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And yes, I did cut my hair. But, and I got some strawberry lemonade with it. And you can eat any 10 tacos you'd like. No real time limit. But you have to do something strange with it. And I was thinking, what do I have a lot of that I can put in 10 tacos? And I was like, well, I got it. I almost have 10 cats. That means cat food. So, cat food. This is in fact cat food. Take your boodle. Yeah, so I have 10 tacos, or 12. Nader had some as well. Here's 1, 2. Oh, these are cold. I just got them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, an open one. 9, that's a lot of food. And 10, what the hell? And 10. Got some napkins. There you go, see all that? I got some napkins. And crap ton of sauce. Wow, she only gave me, I told her all kinds. Also, stupid lady. And cat food. So without further ado, so I'm pretty much gonna smell like a, yeah. Alright, let's just try one by itself. Okay, here's the cat food. Oh! Ew! It's like cardboard. I don't even know what I'm eating. What kind is this? Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna be eating tacos with cat food. So, here's my cat food taco. Alright, here we go. Oh! Really foul. Oh! Oh, it's so gross. I don't like how it tastes like. Different strawberries. Oh man! No wonder my pussies are so mad. It's so crunchy. Yeah. Having strawberry. Strawberry was in my way. Alright, everyone. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Stop it, camera. Stop being a bitch. Ah! Why'd you zoom in? Alright. That was my 10 taco cat food 10 whatever challenge. I don't really feel good. Thank goodness for strawberry lemonade. It makes me feel so much better. I made a mess of everything. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed. Check out other food challenges and weird challenges that I've done. I also do cosplay and makeup. Peace out, guys. Bye.